When I first conceived the idea of, hey, I want to be an Eagle Scout, I'm ready to be an Eagle Scout, I knew I had to do a project. So I thought of a couple ideas. I want to do something a little bit significant, a little bit larger, a little bit more known.
He came to the VFW with the idea of doing something to improve the situation. He was going to work on the front hall and provide a painting on the wall for the VFW. And it just kind of grew into this patio project. And to get your Eagle Scout badge, you have to do the planning, the financing, and procure the materials and the labor to get the job done.
With the renovation of the patio, from step one to done, it was a pretty long process. It's been about 3 years. Granted, I started this in 8th grade, the spring of my 8th grade year. Most of the credit to the idea of the honor wall goes to my mother, because originally we had to raise funds. I mean, this is not a cheap project. It costs around, we figured around $5 grand. We actually later learned out that if you wanted to have someone put this in, it would cost around $70,000, roughly. And my mom ended up looking online and looking for quite a long time, and then she found this company in Sturtevant, Wisconsin, that laser engraved bricks or tiles, tiles being put up on a wall. And she kind of thought of the idea, hey, wouldn't it be really cool if we did something kind of like what they have out in DC with the Vietnam Wall, or something like that, where we could put up these laser engraved tiles and people could fill them out and honor someone.
I saw what his idea was in his project, and I know that that VFW outdoor area was kind of an eyesore in the community, and I think that the VFW and the members are really important people in our community. And I thought, one, I was helping Alex, two, I was helping the VFW, and three, my own dad is a veteran, and I thought it could be like a tribute to my dad as well, like if I donated it in honor of my dad.
I know I fundraised at the gun club, the Slinger Church. I fundraised actually at the patio on Memorial Day, and it was really cool to see how involved the community was getting with these tiles, and how many people wanted to honor other people in the community. It was really cool.
When I first met this young man, I didn't think this would come to fruition. But after 3 years, I'm proud to call him friend. I'm proud to have him as a son. He has just changed so much. He will be a credit to the Eagle Scouts.
I did it to benefit others before myself. The VFW really deserved that whole thing. I don't really care about the benefits that the Eagle Project's going to give me. Yeah, it's going to help me with a job, or if I end up going into the military or college, yeah, it's going to help me. Yeah, I learned a lot of skills through it. It's really good. But the biggest thing is to know that what all these veterans went through and what they've seen and what they've done and gone through, it's really good to see that I gave back to them.
To have him do something for us, yeah, we did something for our country. We were told to do it. You get your orders, you go and do your job. He didn't have to do this. He could have went and made a picnic bench or done any one of probably a million things. But no, he chose to pick Zonker held VFW Post 3358. We were the special ones.